Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook the perfect filet mignon. Start with the best quality filet mignon, ideally 1.5 to 2 inches thick. Before cooking, let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook more evenly. Patting the steak completely dry is crucial for achieving that beautiful, golden brown crust. Finally, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. These simple steps lay the foundation for an incredibly flavorful and tender steak. Now let's get that incredible sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned filet mignon in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a deep, rich brown crust. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain that high heat. After searing, you have a couple of options to finish cooking. You can transfer the pan to a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or reduce the heat and baste the steak with butter, crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. Cook until your desired doneness, using a meat thermometer. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a juicy and tender interior. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Once it reaches about 5 degrees below your target temperature, remove it from the heat and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked filet mignon against the grain and serve immediately. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.